After we make simulation for office number 1, also here in this lecture we'll apply the same simulation in the corridor. Now I'm finished from doing this geometry for the corridor. Also I import my luminaire here. It's luminaire Latina FBH020 by 2 here. See here FBH02. I apply it here for the corridor and I make calculation. And now after I'm finished, I will check my work. See, this simulation as a reality for 3D. Now we go again here and check. See, now I think here the value of lux is less than the office, but also I will make export for the file here, file export, save as PDF, all. Here desktop, corridor, save. I notice here software every 15 minutes asks me if you or give me a reminder if I want to save my work. Of course I want to save my work. Okay, save now. And I will back again to the desktop and open my file here, corridor, open, go again here, calculation page. Now here the average of logs is 152. Now we'll back again to my recommendation level. Now check where is corridor, easy office, normal office, study, room, work area, visual task, workshop, easy office, then public area, entrance, go again, loading area. Public area, symbol, work area, visible, office, classroom, normal office, liberation room. Yes, sorry, here this is the internal corridor. It's 200 lux. Now I will compare it. It's my value. Sorry, here corridor. Now I think the value is less than the required value. Now here in this case I must change my luminaire because the value of logs here did not meet the requirement. Now I will back again the catalog, select a new luminaire. Now open Philips catalog or any brand. You can go with GE. I think it's the same plugin and everything. Indoor, downlight. Now I need unit have much flux, quantity flux more than the Latina luminaire. Now here this luminaire profile 1200 lumen. Now I will check again. check again downlight. I can try this. See here, I think this luminaire provide 2196 lumen. It is a good value. Here the logs, as we said, save, close. Gives me to add the logs, and here this is the new luminaire FPH 059. I will click, double click, and here choose. I will delete all this luminaire. She did not meet the requirement. Del, I do want to delete, yes. Here also delete. I press del in the keyboard. Also I can delete by right click, delete here. Now I will import my new luminaire. See? Yes, this is my new luminaire. We'll copy here. After that, we'll do the same things. Copy, paste, and so on. Welcome back again. Now I'm finished from distributing this luminaire at the corridor. Now calculate again, very accurate. Okay, after he finished, you go directly to the 3D view. Now what I notice, I think the value of lux is much than for this new luminaire FPH 059 is more than the Latina unit, or FPH 022. Now I will export my file again. Export, output. Okay. Here we'll close. You ask me, I will copy the same file, save, yes, replace, finish, and also open this file. Now see here, the average value is going up to 279. I think now this is okay, because the requirement only talking about 200 for the corridor. Now I can consider this new luminaire and distribution, but I have to go again to the AutoCAD file and modify. See here, it's Latina. You must modify this luminaire, and also I can edit the block editor. Put the circuit shape for the new luminaire. Can put circuit on here, center. Match the color. Same color. Save, change. Now see here the new shape of luminaire sample change in all drawing. Also I will change the name here to the name of the new luminaire, Philips FPH 2.9. Can copy all this until here, and here I will change, select all, Control V, paste. Now also I will back to the catalog to modify the swap and IP and etc.